The Young and the Restless scoop on Friday, November 27th. Amanda Sinclair tries to cheer up Elena Dawson. Amanda will appear at Elena and Lola Rosales' door holding a bottle of wine. When they sit down for a glass of wine, Amanda will ask her if she is hoping it was going to be Nate at the door. Then Lola will get back from work and she will be happy to see her roommate didn't spend the day alone. At Devin Hamilton's penthouse, Lily will tell him she invited someone to Thanksgiving dinner. He'll tell her that's fine as long as it's not Nate Hastings. Today is about family and giving thanks for the blessings we do have, she'll say, just before Nate appears. Both men will stare each other down, but eventually Devin will say he guesses this is a first step to getting along again. Glad that we're able to take it, Nate will reply. Meanwhile, at the Abbott estate, Billy Abbott will needle Summer about her smugness. In case you were wondering, Billy, I still hate you. So, if you could go be a jerk somewhere else, that would be really nice, she'll say. Kyle Abbott will tell her she's ready to hash everything out. Kyle, I don't even want to talk, she'll say. I can't overthink this, not again. The Young and the Restless scoop. Sharon Newman angry with Nick Newman. At the Crimson Lights, Sharon will be busy getting ready to celebrate Thanksgiving by giving back to the homeless with some help from Ray Rosales and Maria Copeland. Nikki Newman and Victor Newman will also be there. As they sit in the booth, Victor will ask Nikki if he's told her lately, "You're pretty and that I love you." Then Phyllis Summers will show up to help, but she'll be more of a hindrance when she mentions Faith Newman's recent hangover. Sharon will look over at her daughter and Nick Newman and glare. Then she'll confront Nick. "After the way we lost Cassie, you really decided to keep this from me." Phyllis Summers will put her foot in her mouth. Also coming up, Lily Winters will try to mend fences and Sharon Newman will hear some shocking news. Plus, Amanda Sinclair will try to cheer up Elena Dawson. Viewers should note that The Young and the Restless will be preempted on Thursday for CBS Sports. Friday's show will be the classic Masquerade Ball episode that originally aired on October 2nd, 1991. New episodes will be back on Monday. Billy entered the Abbott mansion and called out to Jack. Billy checked his phone and read a text message from Lily asking if he was okay. Billy replied, "Can't stop thinking about me, huh?" Lily wrote back that Billy shouldn't flatter himself and she promised to talk soon. Jack entered and greeted Billy. Billy didn't mince words and admitted that he was a suspect in a shooting, adding that Adam had been the intended target. Billy told his brother that police had even searched his office and had taken a few things for inspection. Jack was shocked and said he hoped the investigation would end soon.